Welcome to NA to this e-learning lesson. Today we're going to learn factorization by grouping. Before we learn factorization by grouping, let's recap on some algebraic factorization. If you take a look at this question, 3ab plus 7bc, I want you to notice what is the common factor here in 3ab and 7bc. You will realize that the letter b, the algebra b, is the common factor in 3ab and 7bc. From here, if you remember carefully, you can factorize out b from both 3ab and 7bc. When you factorize out the b, what you are left with on the first term is 3a plus 7c. 3a from here and 7c from here. And that is your algebraic factorization. If you were to take a look at the right side of my screen, you will see that there's a similar question. 3a bracket b plus 2 plus 7c bracket b plus 2. Now, there are two terms here in this algebraic expression. 3a b plus 2 and positive 7c b plus 2. If you were to take a look at these two terms, you'll be able to identify immediately that b plus 2 is the common factor in these two terms. So in this case, we are able to factorize out b plus 2 out of this expression. So if I factorize out b plus 2, what I am left with is 3a plus 7c. And that is what is in the other bracket. 3a and then plus 7c. Now, this is factorization by grouping. Now, if you were to take a look at the worksheet that we have passed you yesterday, work example number 1, factorize 4 bracket c plus 2 plus d c plus 2. Let's take a look at these two terms here. You realize that the common factor is c plus 2. Okay, so what do is you take out the c plus 2 and put it in front, and you are left with 4 plus d. The 4 is here and the positive d is here. Alright, if you don't understand, you may tag Mr. Eric or myself. But now, I want you to spend some time to do classwork 1.1 to 1.4 now, and then upload the picture. When you are done, take a picture of your classwork and upload into SLS in the box below. Now, that is all for work example 1. Do your classwork now, 1.1 to 1.4. If you need to replay this video, you can replay this video for you to understand what is needed.